Hello students, yesterday I have taught you properties of the angle, and some of the properties of the angle I have said solve also some of the objective problems, and today we are going to this type of question to solve you. Okay, this is question number 2. On the size of angles it has given, you have to find out the unknown size of angle. Okay, find the size of unknown angles in the following figure. Okay, look here, your question is this one. It has made one triangle x degree, 60 degree, 45 degree. Is it? X degree, 60 degree and 45 degree. As you know that the angles of the triangle is 180 degrees. What is the angles of the triangle? 180 degree. Now we are going for solution. Okay, x degree plus 60 x plus 60 degree plus 45 degree is equal to 180. Being the sum of all the angles of a triangle. Okay, understood? As you know, the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Okay, now we are going to solve it. Okay, x plus 60 and 45. What it is? 60 and 45. It is 5 and 105 degree. Okay, it's equal to 180 degree. Or x is equal to 180 degree minus 105. Okay, therefore x is equal to 5 and it is saving 75 degree. Okay, so what is the size of unknown angle? What it is coming for the 75? 75 degree. Understood? Look here, how to solve this type of question. Okay, as you know, what is the sign? This is the sign for 90 degree. It shows that this triangle is right angle triangle. Okay, this triangle is right angle triangle, and one angle it has given a degree, another one a plus 10 degree. We have to find the value of unknown size of the angles of the triangle. It means first we have to find the a degree. Okay, so look here again, solution. A degree plus a plus 10 degree plus it shows 90 degree. Understood? It shows 90 degree. Okay, it's equal to 180 degree. What is the reason? What is the reason? Sum of angles of triangle. Okay, we can write it 180 degree. Again, it is a degree or a degree plus a plus 10 degree. 10 degree plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. Very easy it is. Yes. And now a and a, 2a plus 10, 10 plus 90, 10 plus 10 degree plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. After that, 2a plus 100 degree is equal to 180 degree. Very easy. Now a to a is equal to, it is in plus, it will come this side in minus 100 degree. Okay, or a is equal to 80 by 2. Why? 180 minus 100. Look here how to solve this type of question. Okay, in this question, if your question is like this, it means it is right angle triangle, and it is 90 degree. Another one a degree and a plus 10 degree. How to find out the angles of the triangle? A degree plus a plus 10 degree plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. Okay, what is the reason? Being the sum of the angles of the triangle. A degree plus 10 degree, due to it is plus is, so very easy to break the bracket. Plus 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 only, and plus plus again plus 10 degree. 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. A and a, 2a degree plus 10 degree plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. 2a degree plus 100 degree, 90 plus 10, 100 degree is equal to 180 degree. So 2 is equal to 180 minus 100, it is coming 80 degree, and 8 degree is equal to, it is in multiplication. This side, if we are going to put this side, it will be in divide, and 40 times it will be divisible. So 8 degree is equal to, therefore 8 degree is equal to 40. Understood? Now another one angle, what is here? A plus 10. Okay. After that 40 plus 10, it is coming 50 degree. So what is our final answer? 40 degree and 50. It is our answer. Understood? That. Hello students. Now, do you know, if you are getting this type of question, then how to solve it? Okay. Here x degree, y degree and 40 degree. Okay. And exterior angle here is z degree. Understood? X degree, y degree, 40 degree. But do you know, in this question it shows that these two sides are isosceles. Okay, these two sides are isosceles. So as you know, if their sides are isosceles, their two angles will be equal. Okay, look here. If how to equal, I am going to make you understand. This side, if this side it is, then it denotes the y. Okay, and from here it denotes x. So that x degree is equal to y degree. X degree is equal to y degree. So we can write in place of xy or in place of y x. Here x degree plus y degree plus 40 degree is equal to 180 degree. Understood? Why? It is also being the sum of the angles of triangle. Now x degree plus in place of x degree, okay, plus 40 degree is equal to 180 degree. Understood? After that x degree and x degree, 2x degree plus 40 degree is equal to 180 degree. Okay. After that 2x degree is equal to 180 degree minus 40 degree. Now 2x degree is equal to 140 degree. And after, now it don't need, I think, so I am going to erase it. Okay. We need some place to solve the problem. Now after 2x degree, x degree is equal to, or x degree is equal to 140 degree by 2. 270 times it is going to make divisible. Therefore x degree is equal to 70 degree. As per, we know x degree is equal to y degree. If x value is 70 degree, then it should y value also 70 degree. Now we need here z value. Okay. So what we have to do? Again z degree plus y degree is equal to 180 degree. Why? Being a straight angle. Being a straight angle. Okay. After that, what is the value of z degree? Z degree we have to find out, and x degree value in place of x degree is equal to y degree is equal to 70 degree. Okay. So z degree and 70 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now z degree is equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree. Therefore the z degree is equal to, what is here? 110 degree. Yes. I think you are understanding. If you have any problem, please write in the comment box. I will solve it properly. Okay. And go. Okay, next question, it is 65 degree, x degree, and here nothing has given s, and outside there 120 degree. And my previous video I have taught you one properties of the triangle, that is exterior angle is equal to sum of the two interior angle. And this problem also it had based on that one properties. Okay. So that x degree, we can write here x degree plus 65 degree is equal to 120 degree. Being exterior angle, you know, I think, yes, exterior angle is equal to sum of the two opposite interior angle. Okay. So can you look here? It is the opposite interior angle. Here look. Okay. X degree and here 65 degree. So this is the opposite angle of this one. And after that x degree is equal to 120 degree minus 65 degree. पता है ना आप लोगों को एक्सटीरियर एंगल क्या होता है? एक्सटीरियर एंगल इज इक्वल टू सम ऑफ द टू अपोजिट इंटीरियर एंगल होता है, ठीक है। इसलिए मैंने यहाँ x डिग्री प्लस 65 डिग्री इक्वल टू 120 डिग्री, रीज़न यही है बीइंग एक्सटीरियर एंगल, ठीक है। और x डिग्री इक्वल टू, तो नंबर को तो नंबर के ही पास रखना पड़ा ना, 120 माइनस 65, और नाउ x डिग्री इक्वल टू इट इज़ 5 and 5, 55 degree, okay. So what is the value of x? Therefore x is equal to 55. So easy it is, yes, very easy.